Hi, this is Gary Nelson with Aldan American. Today we're going to show you our coilover kit for El Caminos. The kit comes with billet aluminum shocks that are made in America, dampening adjustable, and all of the grade 8 hardware to assemble the kit. Included in the kit is fixture welded laser cut brackets. Come along, check out how we installed them on the El Camino. This is our front coilover kit installed on this El Camino. We've adjusted it for a 2-inch drop. Now let's check out the rear. This is our rear kit installed on this El Camino. As you can see, here's the lower bracket. It bolts to the original lower trailing arm mount, the original shock mount, and moves the shock inboard away from the tire. And we have the adjustment set for a 2.5-inch drop. For more information, check us out at aldanamerican.com.